How to clear products on your cart. I guess fishing is just to clear up your cart on AliExpress website. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, search for AliExpress website. As soon as you enter the website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this cart icon. Click on it. If you don't know how to add products to your cart, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. After you enter the cart section, look at the right side of your product where you can see this delete icon. Tap on it. Now click on remove. Just repeat the process. Now just repeat this process for all your products. Click on delete icon and tap on remove. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to clear up your cart on AliExpress. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any issues regarding AliExpress, make sure to comment down below. Bye bye.